There 2 and 4 and 6 were 8, shunting trucks and 4 and freight, red and green and brown and blue. They're the really useful crew. All the different roles to play round Tigmid Shed so far away. Down the hills and round the bones, Thomas and his friends. Thomas and the snow. Thomas the tank engine has been huffing and puffing around the island of Sodor. He was about to take all of that. James, come on! We're outside! Come on, outside! Yeah, we're out in the snow! Okay, fine with me, Thomas. I hope you stay sensible and start doing it. What are you going to do now, Henry? Not yet, Percy. Let's just make some more room left there. You guys just be careful down here. From an Australian grounds on business in UK. What do you ever call in UK? What do you know expecting for? We're in UK. We're on the island of Sodor. Hands out. Sorry. Thomas the tank engine. Been huffing and puffing. Going swimming and... Ouch. He tried to go swimming, but someone else is going this time. He has to go for the toilet. Later, Percy wants to go swimming with us. I want to go swimming. Right then. Hey! Ouch! The ice was picked off the floor and smashed. An ice cream truck was heard. Over that way. Percy tried to get out of the pool, breaking the ice, and there is one ice off the floor. Pick that ice up. Now, Percy has to pick the ice up off the floor, and Friendly was very good tripping and melting the ice off the sun. The snow melts the ice, and at the end of the day, it melts the ice. Rose it on the floor instantly and smashed. He quietly went outside. Possibly, it's going over there by the next time, or by the next time, or anywhere by else. Before he goes outside by the ground. But he meets Henry. What's wrong with him? Whoops! Nobody. Oh! Ah! Okay, what's wrong, Percy? I break the ice. Thomas the tank engine seems very worried. He cannot do the bounces around the island of Sodor. It could be no else. Hold on! Where is Percy? Oh, it's over there. Percy, come on, you. I got you, Thomas. I got you too, Percy. Right, I got you now, Percy. I'm alright too, Thomas. I got to pee! Whoa! Ouch. James has to walk up there. Go over there and see the ice. He wants to bring the ice and make it a beautiful fan. Unfortunately, somebody smashed. No! James goes into Thomas. What's wrong, James? Percy broke the ice! Oh dear, he's going in the bathtub. Finally, we're out of it. Oh, people right there. James, stop going like that. Well, we get some play. Come on, you both of you. Well, that's the end. Do 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 do. Join us again for the next adventure on Thomas and Friends. See you there soon. And see ya. Bye bye. do 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 do.